Yeah, good morning all back. So today we are going to discuss parallelogram of vector addition as well as subtraction based on this concept. Now, first let me take two vectors. I have two vectors, vector A, let us take it as vector B, two vectors, starting from initial points, both the vectors, making an angle theta. This is making an angle theta. Okay. So if these two vectors are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram or the two sides of a parallelogram, then how to find the resultant of these two vectors? These two are starting from the same points. So making an angle theta. Then resultant, how to calculate resultant? Resultant is the diagonal passing through the same points. It's nothing but resultant will be writing. Resultant vector sum A plus B. Vector sum A plus B. So if two vectors, what is the definition of parallelogram law of vector addition? If two vectors represent in magnitude and direction, represented as the sides of the diagonal, starting from the same point, then the resultant of these two vectors represents in magnitude and direction by the diagonal passing to the same points. So first, how to calculate the magnitude as well as the direction of this resultant? Resultant is always the diagonal passing to the same point where the two vectors are started, A and B. Now, if this is a parallelogram, two sides should be equal. If I draw like this, so this is also a vector which is nothing but B, or you can make a concept of parallel shifts. If these two sides are equal, then we'll be calling it as parallelogram law. So you can see that it is a parallelogram. And these two sides should be equal, or the concept of parallel shifts. Let me take, this is an angle theta. If I extend this one, I am drawing a perpendicular here. It's nothing but perpendicular. What I did is I extended a line. So this is the B vector. What is this angle? Angle made with a horizontal. Because if I use concept of parallel shift also, this vector should make an angle theta with the horizontal. It should not change. It's very important. So this is nothing but theta. Whatever the angle between A and B, here also angle between A and B. Otherwise, if you extend this, and you can check it out, this angle is theta. Otherwise, using the parallelogram, so these two sides should be parallel, then this angle will be theta, right? We'll give the names for it. O, okay, P, Q, R, S. Just we can take any names here. These are the things. Now, what we are going to calculate here, R is equal to A plus B is the resultant vector of A and B, right? So for this A and B resultant vector, we would like to calculate the resultants and magnitudes as well as the direction for that one. First, come to this triangle. I'm taking the triangle QSR triangle I'm taking. Okay. So from yesterday concept, whatever we discussed, this B vector is eligible to resolving components. Yes or no? This B vector is eligible to resolve into components. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? This B vector, this is the B vector, okay? B vector, fine, making an angle theta with any one of the axes. This is nothing but x-axis. So it can resolve into two components. Can be done, okay? Oh, fine. Now, can you tell me B, what is this components? Along QS, if I take, this is a one vector QS, and if I take one vector SR, right? This component is cos. Manish given the answer. Cos theta, very good. So this means B cos theta, B cos theta. This is B cos theta. This component is B cos theta. Now, what is this component? Opposite side. This is an adjacent side. So cos, we are getting Sai Meenakshi given sin theta. So this is B sin theta. B sin theta. Okay. B cos theta, B sin theta. B cos theta and B sin theta. Okay. The diagram is completed. And one more important thing I would like to say, this question is very, very important for your final examination. That means your 11th class board examination, this question is always asked for 4 marks. That means if you learn today, calculation of magnitude and direction in your pocket, 4 marks are there. Definitely. That means out of 60 marks, 4 marks is today itself completed. So only from tomorrow onwards for 56 marks you have to prepare. The total paper will be 60 marks will be there, 4 marks you'll be getting from this one. See, if you draw this diagram as it is, you'll be getting 1 mark in the board examinations. Okay, fine. Now coming back to this one, how to find the magnitude for that one. So I would like to calculate magnitudes. If I want to calculate magnitude, I'll take this triangle. What is the triangle? ORS. ORS. I'm taking triangle. ORS triangle. Okay. Portion for the tomorrow's exam till parallelogram law will be there. Fine. Addition and subtraction. Basic things, whatever we discussed from day 1 onwards, today's class, right? Monthly. So triangle ORS if I take, right? In this one, I'll be using Pythagoras theorem. If I use Pythagoras theorem, so what I can write, this complete OR square equal to hypotenuse, this OS square plus this RS whole square. That's all. Have you understood till this points? Just I am using the Pythagoras theorem. Have you understood all of you? Yes, till this points? Okay, fine. So when we are doing the problem, just the final result is required. This derivation part is not required, but how the formula that you are getting, that is important, that we should know, and how to apply that we should know. This is what everywhere applicable in JEE mains and advanced or NEET level problems. Okay. So final result, what we require is final result we require. Now, if I take OR square means resultant R square. So here it is R square equal to OS. If I take OS, OQ plus QS. So OQ is nothing but A square. I'll write OQ plus QS whole square plus. Right. Next to this one, RS whole square. That's all. So now R square equal to OQ. What is OQ? A square. I'll be writing A square plus B cos theta. Okay. So A plus whole square. That is OQ is nothing but A vector, and B cos theta is nothing but QS whole square plus RS square. RS square means B sin theta whole square. B sin theta whole square. So R square equals to just A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. So is it clear all of you till this point, or any doubts? Shall I proceed? No doubts? Repeats. Yes, repeats. We are taking this vector, this, can you tell this diagram how I drawn? Have you seen all of you? The diagram is clear first. Is it clear diagram? Okay, fine. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate magnitude. Just what I'm doing, magnitude, I am taking Pythagoras theorem. That's all. Simple mathematics. From here onwards, mathematics only. See, this triangle I am taking. Which triangle I am taking? ORS. O, R, and S. So from that one, OR square, okay, hypotenuse whole square is equal to OS square plus RS square. That's all. So OS can be written as OQ plus QS whole square plus RS whole square. Now OQ is nothing but A. I'm substituting that values, and QS nothing but B cos theta. Then RS is nothing but B sin theta. Just I substituted. Then A plus B whole square formula. I'm expanding it. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Or still any doubt you have? Concentrate. Fine. Objective only. Tomorrow's exam. Okay, fine. Now let us proceed with this one here. MCQs. Yeah. R square equal to, fine, A square plus, here B square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta. I'll take common. So I'll be taking common B square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. So just I took the common plus, what is the remaining thing? 2AB cos theta. Is it clear till this point, all of you? Yes or no? Yeah. Just what I did, I make the common to it. That's all. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta कितना भाई बोलिए, sin square theta 1 कितना खुशी होता नहीं 1 बोलने के लिए, सही बात है. निचल है कौन, क्या नाम था ना बच्चे का, निचल. Is there any boy like that? Fine. So R square equal to, yeah. Is there? So A square plus B square into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. B square plus 2AB cos theta. खत्म हो गया cos theta. So R is equals to under root of A square plus B square plus 2ab cos theta. This is what resultant. Resultant of two vectors. If it is making an angle theta, if we know two vectors and if I know angle theta, this is the resultant that we have to find. Is it clear? Or any doubts? Direction will be finding Baba Sinha, Aryan Sinha. 30 seconds, note it down. If you still have any doubts, let me know.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, for this vector quantity, sometimes you keep line above A and B, but sometimes you don't keep that line, vector symbol.
लगाते रहना बेटा तुम, अब वेक्टर्स के अंदर घुस गया ना. हाँ
सर, जहाँ पे आप स्क्वायर लिख रहे हैं वहां पे लाइन नहीं लगा रहे.
नहीं,
तो
ए इंटू ए स्क्वायर वो वेक्टर 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 बोल रहे ना. इनिशियली आप लोग ले लिया ना वेक्टर्स, दो वेक्टर्स बोल के. सही बात है ना?
ओके,
समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
All the time it is a vector itself. So initially I took because you should have a clarity that it is a vector quantity, whether it is representing magnitude or what direction. इधर देखिए a square, it is only giving what magnitude. There is no direction. Direction नहीं है उसमें. समझ गए ना? a
Yes,
square,
sir.
for example, a is equal 6. a square बोलो तो 36 हो जाएगा. और 36 का डायरेक्शन कहाँ है? नहीं है ना?
Yes, sir.
समझ गया ना?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Done. Negative marking, yeah, it will be there. Negative -1, +4, -1. Till portion, whatever today's class, it will be there. This video on websites. Yeah, definitely I'll be sharing to your marketing team. The same class will be shared to your marketing team. Then they will be sharing you. Just contact with your marketing team, whoever in contact with you. I'll forward this video to them. You can see afterwards. Portion आज तक जो हुआ आज तक है बस. हो गया? हाँ बोलो लोहित. What is the doubts? बोलो लोहित. कुछ डाउट बोल रहे आप? Can we simply answer? What simply answer means? I didn't get you. That means option A, B, C. That's all. A, B, C, D will be there in the examination. There is no rough work we have to show it as. It's an online exam. Yes, you have next. Done?
Sir, but then they have one of the person he has sent us introduction to vectors, laws of types of vectors, properties, and also he gave this thing, sir. 1 minute.
Which one? Syllabus?
Yes, sir. Resolution of vector, analytical method of and addition of vector, application of vector. All these are also there, sir.
Yeah, everything is done now.
Okay.
See, analytical method means head and tail method. Okay. Analytical means head and tail method.
Yes, sir.
Head and tail method. Addition and subtraction. Already we discussed addition and subtraction of the vectors. Addition and subtraction. Here we are doing addition when two vectors making certain angle theta. So this is a general formula. Whatever backside, whatever we discussed, the same thing we can calculate with this one. This will become a general formula for any question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Done. Yeah. Shall I erase this one? Now what we calculated only magnitude. I am writing magnitude for this one. Magnitude equal to R equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. 2AB cos theta. Right. This is magnitudes. It's nothing but magnitudes. Fine. So when two vectors starting from tail to tail making certain angle theta, okay, how to find the resultant of that magnitude is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now we'll be going for the direction of the vector. Shall we start? Shall I erase this one? All of you?
Sir, this R is magnitude or resultant?
Magnitude. It is a.
What about resultant then?
This no. See, two vectors A and B. The resultant is nothing but R is equal to A plus B. We'll be expressing R is equal to A plus B. Addition, vector addition, representation of addition of two vectors. R is equal to A plus B. That's all. Then what is the magnitude of it? What is the direction that we are going to calculate? Is it clear?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yes.
Right. Okay. Shall I erase this one? Material given by college for writing notes, sir. Can we use material? Yeah, you can use material. There is no problem in that one. Right. Please relate it to this if you ask. I think it will be useful for you. And now, let us you miss the classes, some classes that you have to check it out with the team that is managing. Fine. So r is equal to under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta till this point. Now direction I want. For this direction, direction means let us take an angle alpha. This is the angle alpha. Just I take this and draw the diagram, the same thing. So this is nothing but alpha. This vector is nothing but resultant r is equals to a plus b. This is the vector sum of a plus b. A plus b r is equal to alpha. So this is nothing but b sine theta, b sine theta. And this complete part from here to here, I'm taking O, R, and S. I took the triangle from this one. I'm drawing a free body diagram here. So O, R, S. R is equal to a plus b. This is nothing but alpha. This is nothing but b sine theta. Remaining part, if I take from here to here, a plus b cos theta. Is it clear, this one? Then rho is equals to a plus b cos theta. B. Now, if I want direction, direction means alpha I require. Alpha with these two parameters. So what is the trigonometric function relating with this side and RS side? What is that? Tan theta with the law. So tan alpha is equal to tan alpha is equal to b sine theta divided by a plus b cos theta. A plus b cos theta. This is nothing but direction, or simply alpha is equals to a tan inverse of b sine theta by a plus b cos theta. You understood till this point, all of you? So we got direction. This is nothing but direction. This is direction, magnitude, and direction. So representation of the vector is r is equals to vector sum of a plus b. Simply a plus b. Done, all of you? Shall we move to a problem? Let me give a problem. Then I'll check it out. How many of them will give the answer? Akshuta, explain again. Which one? Which one, Ray? Kahan hai tu? हाँ बोल. Eager to solve. Very good, Pratik. Shrutika, कौन की explain again. कौन सा explain करना है? जल्दी बोल. ORS triangle. अक्षुता ORS triangle. देखो ORS triangle. Pythagoras theorem दे. Pythagoras theorem. इसमें क्या है देखो. तो क्या करा मैं? OR. This is the triangle. इधर लेके इधर कट करा. कट करके paste करा बस. कट और paste. तो इसमें क्या होता है? अल्फा चाहिए. अल्फा बोले तो tan alpha is equal to खत्म. अल्फा बोले तो opposite side by adjacent side. वही ले लिया. अल्फा is nothing but direction. समझ गया? श्रुता. Ashtuta. Yeah, okay, please. That's okay. Now I'm giving a problem. Let us take the problem. Two forces equal magnitudes. Question. Two forces equal magnitudes. Two forces equal magnitudes. 6 newtons each. 6 newtons each. Acting at a point. Acting at a point. That means they are acting at this particular point, two forces, making an angle 60 degrees. That means if you take two vectors, this is 6 newtons, making an angle 60 degrees. Fine. Then calculate the resultant magnitude and the direction. Resultant magnitude and direction. Option A, 6 root 3 30 degrees. Option B, 3 root 3 60 degrees. Option C, 2 root 3 90 degrees. Option D, root 3 45 degrees. Chalo. Hopefully you got this one problem. Two equal forces. ऑप्शन डी बोल रहे कोई. अशुदा डी नहीं होता रे बेटा. चल बी बोल रहे और कोई है. सी बोल रहे. अरे तुम खाली तीर डाले, अंधेरे में तीर डाल रहे बेटा आप लोग. नहीं रे. उदित गांगुली ये ऑप्शन, डी ऑप्शन. देखो बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है, ABCD, राइट. सर आई सॉ क्लियरली. व्हाट यू सॉ? इट्स ऑप्शन ए. ओके अश्रुता, ऑप्शन ए बोल रहे. ऑप्शन ए. लेट अस सी. क्या कुछ भी नहीं रहे उसमें, सब्स्टिट्यूट करना बस होता है. ये पूरा ए एंड बी आर देयर, उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 60 डिग्रीज का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, हो गया बस होता है. राइट. सी हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. लेट अस सी. राइट. देखो. So first, what is given? Two equal forces. बोले तो there are two vectors. Two vectors. Let us take A vector is given as 6 newtons and B vector given as 6 newtons. Two are equal in magnitudes. Two vectors are equal in magnitudes, making an angle 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Khatam. Take this and substituting the resultant. So तुम्हारे को cos values you should know. Then only you'll be getting. Now R is equal to resultant under root of A square 6 whole square plus 6 whole square plus 2 into 6 into 6 36 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 कितना होता? 1 by 2. एक गया, right? That means R is equals to under root of, अब देखो, so 36 plus 36 plus 36. So 36 में कॉमन निकाल दो, रूट से लेके आए तो 1 plus 1 plus 1 हो गया. 36 में बाहर निकाल देना, 36 से बाहर निकाले तो रूट से 6 आ जाएगा. अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is nothing but R is equal to 6 root 3 units. So this is what's resultant of it. Otherwise newtons, as it is given in the newtons. Angle देखो, अब angle का क्या चीज है? Alpha is or tan alpha is equals to tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to angle बोले तो direction बोले तो alpha. Alpha we have to find. Now B sin theta 6 sin 60 divided by A plus B 6 plus 6 sin cos 60 cos 60. बोल तो आपको क्या चाहिए? The values of sin and the cos. तभी आप आंसर परफेक्ट दे सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ 6 sin 60 का वैल्यू कोई बोल सकते क्या? कोई बोलेगा sin 60 कोई है? So root 3 by 2. So this is nothing but a root 3 by 2 divided by 6 plus 6 into 1 by 2. ये 1 जा 3 जा, तो ये 1 जा 3 जा. अब देखिए क्या हो रहा है इधर? tan alpha is equal to tan alpha 3 root 3 divided by 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 क्या हो रहा? 9 हो जा रहा. So 9 बोलते 1 जा 3 जा. Now tan alpha is equals to root 3 divided by 3. 3 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? root 3 into root 3. root 3 1 जा root 3 times. Now tan alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. One should know the values of sin 60 and cos 60, then only you'll be getting it. So 1 by root 3 बोले तो कितना एंगल बोलिए? मालूम है शायद? 30. So alpha is equals to 30 degrees. For tan 30 will be getting 1 by root 3. अश्रुता करेक्ट, मगर पहले रॉन्ग बोले ना. रॉन्ग बोला ना? नहीं. यस सर नो बोलो. तेरे को ऑप्शन नहीं रहता ना एग्जाम में. क्या बोला अश्रुता? सही बोला नहीं? या see if you do starting mistake then it will be gone. 4 marks तो चलेगा मगर -1. Okay, so that's what you should be perfect, Yashudha. You should read the question perfectly. You should not be in the excitation state. Fine. You have to come to the ground state. Okay, some more questions. Okay, some more questions भी दे दूंगा और एक question करके subtraction को चले जाते, right? So one more question in front of you. So write the question. Question number 2. Second question, conceptual question. This is second question is conceptual question, right? Write down the question. Two vectors of equal magnitudes. Two vectors of equal magnitudes. Two vectors of equal magnitude. Let us take it as vector A and vector B are equal magnitudes. And if they add, the resultant, which is of same magnitudes, which is of same magnitudes, if they add, the resultant of those two vectors will have same magnitude, which is nothing but R. So A is equal to B is equal to R. A is equal to B is equal to R. This is given. Find the angle between two vectors. Theta is equal to how much? Just a simple manner I'm saying. A is equal to B is equal to and R. All are equal. Let us take all are equal to. Let us take it as F. Let us imagine F is the vector. All are equal. All are equal. Then how to find the angle between two vectors? Can anybody? Or let us take it as it is X. Let us take it as X. X subject. All are equal. Even resultant is equal. And A, B, R, resultant is equal, then what is the value of X? Without solving, it is not possible. Without knowing the angles, it is not possible. Trigonometry should be perfect to do the problem. Trigonometry should be perfect. Until unless you cannot do this problem. That means cos, sin, tan, all values you should be perfect. Now see, let us see how to do this problem. Have you understood the problem first? A and B and X are resultant. All are equal. For example, if I take this vector R, so R is equals to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. क्या करना अब? You substitute all X here and try to calculate cos theta. I'm giving the answer. No, not possible. Only one is the answer direction. Of course, it is a clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Angle always, if you're taking in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now I'm giving a chance just to substitute all the values X, because R is X, A is X, B is X, then find the value of theta. Or you can substitute here also. There is no problem in that one. कोई बोल सकते क्या? Yes, no. Nishal joined back, going outside, coming back. घूम के आ जा रे बेटा तू. कोई है? 60 नहीं होता बेटा. नहीं होता रे. थोड़ा मैथ्स इंप्रूव करना बेटा आप लोग. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का वैल्यूज नहीं होता 60. चलो भाई. लैपटॉप स्विच ओके बेटा. निशाल लैपटॉप को चार्जिंग रखना पूरा देख लेना. चलो तो देखो, दिस इज एक्स राइट इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x² cos थीटा. इधर तक क्लियर है ना? कोई डाउट है क्या? शानल वेदा, इतना बड़ा नाम लिख दिए है कोई. चलो इधर तक ओके ना? चलो नाउ स्क्वेयरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स x² इक्वल टू x² प्लस x². क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? बोलो. x² प्लस x², 3x² बोलते सर. 3x² होता? अरे x² प्लस x² क्या होता बोलो? 2x². सो दैट्स नथिंग बट 2x² प्लस और एक है 2x² cos थीटा. ओके, अब देखा मैं क्या कर रहा? ये दोनों को ऐड कर दिया और स्क्वेयरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स कर दिया, बस होता है. ओके, नेगेटिव आया वही बेटा, आता नेगेटिव आता. देखो, सो x² इक्वल्स टू 2x². कॉमन निकालो, 2x² कॉमन निकालो. अब क्या होता? 1 प्लस cos थीटा. x² गया, अब क्या बच गया? ये 1/2 इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस cos थीटा. अब क्या करते हैं? 1 को इधर लेके आइए. 1 को लेके आए. 1/2 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा. वह 1/2 से 1 कैसे निकालते सर? 1/2 से 1 निकाले तो कैसा? -1/2. कितना था? -1/2. ओके, सो cos थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू -1/2. तो सर हम लोग क्या समझे? cos 1/2 का वैल्यू 60 है. अगर माइनस रहते तो -60 डिग्री है. हम
120 डिग्री.
नहीं बेटा, वो क्या है? 120 डिग्री है. ओके सर, हमारे को नहीं मालूम था. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. राइट, 1/2 मालूम था मगर -1/2 नहीं मालूम था. सब सिखाया नहीं सर. Okay, so trigonometric ratios will be getting all silver teacups, right? All silver teacups. All students should read carefully, right? So one chat will be there, and the classes will start. Of course, trigonometry, Max sir will be teaching this one, how to find the values. Fine. For time being, 120 degrees is -1/2. So theta is equals to 120. समझ गया ना? बोले तो आप angles के बारे में perfect रहना. Okay? Sir, negative makes an angle double. नहीं रे, वैसा नहीं होता. ओके, it differs with an angles. Okay, Max sir will be, they'll be teaching it us, or once the classes will be started, okay, then we'll be teaching one day all trigonometrics. Then you'll be getting the idea about it. For basic things, 45 degrees, 30 degrees तो मालूम है, 90 degrees मालूम है, 180 मालूम है ना सर? 180 मालूम है ना? या 180 मालूम है. 128 लगा दो बस. ओके, and 53 also we know, yesterday we discussed 53 and 37. Okay, good. चलो चले, shall we go just to take a snapshot, then we'll move forwards. So last question मैं देने जा रहा हूँ, एक question, उसके बाद में we'll go to अभी तक जो सीखे आप. I would like to -60 नहीं होता, it is -1/2 is theta is 120 degrees. Okay, that's what I'm saying. No, trigonometric functions will be there. According to the trigonometric functions, first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinates. So based on this, it will be there. So last question based on this, fast you have to give the answer. Only magnitude you have to find. Calculate magnitudes. Calculate magnitude 3q. Magnitudes. If two vectors making, so two vectors representing like this. This is one vector. This is another vector. Making an angle 120 degrees. Making an angle 120 degrees. Each of 6 meters. And this is 8 meters. Find the resultants. Magnitude. Magnitude you have to find. Option A given as root 48. Option B is given as root 52. Option C root 148. Option D root 23. चलो भाई करके बोल दो आंसर. कोई है बोलो जल्दी बोलना. अभी तक जो सीखा इसका रिजल्ट दिखेगा आपको. बेटा लोग आप पढ़ रहे नहीं ना, डेली क्लास पढ़ रहे नहीं बेटा आप. शरण्या चक्रवर्ती टोल्ड करेक्ट आंसर. लिखिता टोल्ड करेक्ट आंसर. प्रतीक टोल्ड करेक्ट आंसर. Sudha wrong answer. Sudha wrong answer. Harsh Singh right answer. Lohit wrong answer. Nishita right answer. Saket wrong answer. Wrong answer. Lohit wrong answer. Justin wrong answer. क्लास होने के बाद क्लास को एक बार देख के पढ़ते रहना, पढ़ते रहना, पढ़ते रहना, पढ़ते रहना. Okay, then only you'll be getting perfection. Justin, now you got correct, but you made mistake first time. First attempt is the best attempt, right? Fine. Now, can you tell me, इतना दिन सीखा, क्या सीखा आप लोग? Fine. So that is the result that we are going to. Is the angle between these two vectors is 120 degrees? Is it 120 degrees? Yes or no? No. कैसे होता जी? हाँ कैसे होता बोलो? It's not 120 degrees because this is head and tail join हो रहा. कभी भी head and tail के बीच में angle नहीं ले सकते हम लोग. So we have to extend this vector. आप पीछे खींचो, कौन सा भी कर सकते. So just मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? इसको आगे खींचो, खींच. So this is nothing but 6 meters. Now this angle is nothing but 60 degrees. अब आया मजा. So now vector A 8 meters and vector B is nothing but 6 meters. This is nothing but 60 degrees. This is what a resultant for that one. Right. आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते शायद आप लोग. So C will be the correct answer. So R is equals to under root of, so 6 square 36 plus 64 plus 2 into 6 into 8 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 से 2 गया. So which is nothing but R is equals to under root of 36 100 plus 6 8 कितना 48. 48. So resultant R is equal to under root of 148. That's all. समझ गया ना सब लोग? So गलती नहीं करना. एग्जाम में आसान रहता मगर क्या करना, आप पढ़ते रहना, पढ़ते रहना, पढ़ते रहना. एक क्लास होने के बाद उसके ऊपर एटलीस्ट 2 hours of practice is required to make yourself perfect. Okay, गलतियां करते रहता. देख as soon as you see that our angle 120 degrees A and B दे धन बोल के लगा दिए, answer you got it as wrong. Right? But is it the angle is between head and tail, वो समझना पड़ेगा. That's what very important here. Done all of you? चले चलते चलते चलेंगे. चल आगे चलेंगे, आगे चलते. चलो बाय. मजा आया, मजा आया. गलतियां कैसे करते, आदमी कैसे करते, स्टूडेंट कैसे करते. If he is not concentrated, okay, if he is not revising the notes every day, so आज क्या सीखे आप? Along with parallelograms of vector addition, हर दिन एक बार class notes जो whatever you are preparing by your own, just revise it, recollect it, practice it. जब भी perfection आ जाएगा. गलती मत करना exam. So 10 out of 10 you should make correct tomorrow's exam. मैं देखूंगा 10 out of 10 कौन correct करते हैं, वो लोगों को गिफ्ट भी भेजना चाहूँ मैं. I'll be sending gifts to you people. Okay, tomorrow by the end of the day I'll be getting the results. Fine. 10 को 10 जो करेक्ट करता और उनको फर्स्ट प्राइज मिलेगा. Done. Will you take the challenge? Yes, no? अरे कोई नहीं है, डर गए बच्चे लोग. Yes, 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 yes. 10 को 10 करेक्ट होना, 40 मार्क्स आना. 10 into 4 marks, 40 marks. किसको 40 marks आएगा next class on 16th I'll be announcing whoever getting that one, and we'll be giving gifts as soon as the college will reopen. Otherwise any manner it will be reached to you. Okay, so gifts. Fine. Okay, all of you, hello bhai. Challenge is accepted by most of the students. Let us see. 10 को 10 करेक्ट होना चाहिए. बोलते हो तुम्हारे concentration, दिल दिमाग पूरा concentrate करना. Fine. चलो. Now going back to subtraction of vectors. Very छोटा है ये. Right. First representation of vector. Subtraction of vector means r is equals to a minus b. खत्म हो गया. A minus b. Otherwise, r is equal to a plus minus of b. R is equal to a plus minus of b. A minus b क्या है sir? Negative vector बोलते हैं. क्या है negative vector? If this is vector a, opposite, equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So b is said to be negative vector with respect to a. This is called now negative vector. Negative vector. It may magnitude may be differs. Right? If I take this is nothing but I cap, this should be minus I cap. One is I cap, one is minus I cap, then it is called negative vector. Addition of these two vectors is nothing but subtraction of vectors. Subtraction of vectors. Okay. Subtraction of vectors. So subtraction of vectors means adding one positive vector and another negative vector. Positive and negative. Negative vector means it should have equal magnitude but opposite in direction, or opposite in direction, simply opposite in direction. That means how to represent that one. What is the magnitude we are going to get? Here it is nothing but negative sign. It is nothing but negative. Okay, like this. Now to do this one conceptually, how we will be getting that one? Let us see. If I take one vector, this is vector A, this is vector B. Okay, but let me erase this one. First, I'll take one vector. Right. So this is vector A, or this is nothing but vector A, nothing but vector B. Right. Okay. Vector A and a vector B. Vector A, vector B. If I want resultant for this one, this is nothing but resultant. क्या लिखना मैं? If it is making an angle theta, क्या लिखना? R is equal to A plus B लिख दो. Right? I can write R is equal to A plus B. अब subtraction कैसा करना? Subtraction बोलते हो we require one positive vector, one negative vector. A को ऐसा लगाओ और reverse this vector. Reverse बोले तो ऐसा कर दे तुम देखिए. This is what? Reversed vector minus B. You can see carefully. This is in one direction upward. This is the opposite to that. This is nothing but B vector. अब देखो ये दोनों के बीच में one angle will be formed. Yes or no? See vector A minus vector B. Have you understood how I took minus B? Minus B because opposite to this one. Opposite to this one. Forward, backward. Forward, backward. Minus B. This is nothing but it. Can you tell me what is this angle? What is this angle? कोई बोल सकते क्या? This is theta. What is this angle? Angle क्या बन जाएगा? 180 minus theta. Very good. So this angle is nothing but 180 minus theta. This angle is 180 minus theta. This is theta. Now resultant. For this one, resultant will be like this. This is the resultant. Now a parallelogram will be drawn again back. This is nothing but parallelogram. अगर मैं ऐड करना चाहूँ R is equals to vector A minus vector plus minus vector B. खत्म होगा. R is equal to vector A plus minus vector B. समझ गया ना? That is nothing but R is equal to, simply we'll be writing A plus minus of B. How to find the resultants? Resultant, same thing. R square is equal to, if I want R square, then A square. Here R is equal to, I'm writing A plus minus of B. Right? There's nothing but A square plus B square. So कोई doubt रहेगा? So minus B whole square. It's not minus b square only. So this is nothing but b square. Tycho sir, minus, why you are not allowing minus sign to come here? Because this is the length of the parallelogram. Length of the parallelogram cannot be negative. Only it is giving the direction. In magnitude, we don't consider this negative sign. Very important concepts. So negative sign we don't consider. Why? Because
Sir, please repeat.
This is giving the length of the parallelogram. Length there is. Length को magnitude ले लेते हैं. Negative sign is giving only direction. We are trying to calculate the magnitude so that we are not taking the negative sign. When direction is there, then we'll be taking. Here I took the negative sign because direction is there. Okay. Coming back to this one, plus 2ab khatam. Here also I'm not taking negative sign because I'm taking only magnitudes. Okay. नेगेटिव स्क्वायर नहीं वैसा नहीं, स्क्वायर में नेगेटिव चले आते तो इधर माइनस बी लगाना पड़ेगा ना, माइनस बी नहीं लगा रहे. ओके, व्हाई आई एम नॉट कीपिंग नेगेटिव साइन? बिकॉज ऑफ लेंथ. इट इज नथिंग बट पैरेललोग्राम लेंथ. दैट्स द लेंथ ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम. नेक्स्ट, लेंथ ऑफ वन ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम इनटू cos ऑफ. एंगल तो लेना जरूर है. हाउ मच इट इज? 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. So cos of 180 minus theta. देखिए, cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. ये भी सीखना जरूर है. 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. That's all. So substitute there. R square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? So here it is minus cos theta. Or R is equal to under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Is it fine, all of you? Till this point, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Only the final results we require to solve the problems and concepts. Done? If you have any doubts, let me know. If you have any doubts till here, otherwise alvida. No doubts. Same direction, same formula, sir. Yeah, that means only addition and subtraction. कौन सा repeat करना? Justin बोलो. Justin bhai both. Here only resultant. How I calculate the resultant? Under root of a square plus b square plus minus 2ab cos theta we are getting. So here r square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus. Direction this will be getting. Tan alpha is equal to b sin theta by a minus b cos theta. That's minus. Direction का अभी जरूरत नहीं है. Only magnitude is required. Siddharth, hope with less than this concepts only you will be getting in the examinations, but from the starting class onwards, just to revise, they don't give much based on a subtraction of vector and parallelogram law of vector addition, only based on addition of vectors, right? So once again, this class will be started in the next session. From here onwards, we'll continue, right? All the best, all of you. Everybody, all the best. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.